Hello everyone, this is Zukhruf from InfoSharing 360. Let us discuss the best way to answer the interview question. What are your strengths? In reply to this question, we can say something like number 1, I'm very good at managing projects from initiation till closure phase. Number 2, I am highly organized and detail oriented. By highly organized, I mean I excel at planning, time management, and multitasking. Whereas by detail oriented, I mean I have a keen eye for accuracy and completeness. Number 3, I am adaptable and can quickly adjust to changing circumstances. Number 4, I am a positive person. This attitude often inspires those around me, creating a more collaborative and encouraging work environment. This helps me stay motivated and focused on finding solutions in challenging situations. Number 5, I am proactive. I proactively identify and address potential challenges. Number 6, I am good at problem solving. Number 7, I am a good decision maker. I make good decisions by analyzing data and carefully considering the pros and cons of each option. Other relevant examples of strength are also mentioned for viewers. So that's the best approach for this question. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel InfoSharing 360. Thank you for watching this video.